It's good afternoon, everyone, PESO faculty, and all of you. Thank you for giving your time today. I'm Abhilash, and I will be sharing with you my product, Consumer, an AI-powered market research tool which has a plethora of applications in the professional world. But first, how did all of this begin? I'm someone who gets a lot of ideas, and I've always found it difficult to decide which one to pursue. I did almost everything I could to validate my ideas on a budget. Sending surveys in WhatsApp groups, talking to people, my friends, faculty, Suresh sir himself, looking online. And even after all of this, when I took several ideas to PVL, they all got shot down. I was angry and very confused. This process was extremely time consuming and clearly very inaccurate. Going to agencies or consultants was out of the question since it was just not affordable. Not only me, I'm sure many people, many companies would be facing the same difficulty. Surveys, consumer focus groups, and consultants are the only way to solve these problems right now, and they all share the same downsides. That's when I got another idea. There was almost no technology in this space solving this problem. So why not build an AI ML model to solve this? Hence, Consumer was born. Consumer is a SaaS product which is hosted on the cloud, and with Consumer, we can help entrepreneurs, product managers, digital marketers, and many others in the following ways. First, we can help you gauge the market demand for your product or idea in various market segments and enable you to define the correct target market for your product. Second, we can simulate the market reaction to new features and new ideas which you can add on to your product, letting you iterate and test features before implementing them into your product. This enables you to make better, data-driven product decisions almost instantly. Third, Consumer can provide smart feature suggestions to help you achieve product market fit and align your product to your target consumer base. Finally, Consumer can also generate detailed ad targeting filters, platform suggestions, SEO keywords, and much more to optimize your marketing spend and achieve your advertising goals. Consumer, being a SaaS product, which is software as a service, will have a subscription model, and we will be launching by targeting startups and professionals and plan to scale via B2B and enterprise deals. Currently, we're in the final stages of product development, and we will enter a closed phase of testing soon. We've generated some really good early interest and plan on having a full-scale launch in the coming months. With ad network integrations, a strong cookie and data strategy, we will only get stronger as time goes on, and we are very, very excited for the future. And with your support and with PBL's backing, we're sure we're going to make this big. Thank you for your time.